Are you tired of pouring countless hours into crafting written content, only to feel like it falls short? Do you wish there was an easier way to create engaging copy that resonates with your audience and ranks well in search engines? Look no further than Textmetrics SME, the ultimate AI-powered writing assistant. With Textmetrics SME, you can say goodbye to the frustration of biased or ineffective writing. This powerful tool helps you improve the quality of your messaging and enhances its search engine optimization, SEO, across multiple languages. One of the standout features of Textmetrics SME is its seamless integration with popular content management systems like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and WordPress. Whether you're creating blog posts, articles, or marketing materials, you can effortlessly optimize your content for maximum impact. Textmetrics SME's readability score ensures that your content is not only well-crafted but also tailored to your target audience. The AI writing assistant provides valuable suggestions to simplify complex text, expand on ideas, and rephrase sentences to enhance clarity and engagement. But it doesn't stop there. If you're looking to boost your search engine rankings, Textmetrics SME has you covered. The built-in SEO analysis tools help you assess your content's performance, identify keywords, and receive suggestions for improving visibility. This means your content will not only captivate your audience but also reach the right people at the right time. What sets Textmetrics SME apart is its multilingual capabilities. Whether you're writing in English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, or a range of other languages, Textmetrics SME empowers you to optimize your content for a global audience. Break down language barriers and expand your reach with ease. In the fast-paced marketing world, effective communication is the key to success. With Textmetrics SME as your writing companion, you can enhance the quality and search ranking of your written content, ensuring you engage your target audience every time. Are you ready to take your writing skills to new heights? Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Get lifetime access to Textmetrics SME today and unlock the true potential of your written content.